Protection of colloids. Lyophobic salts such as those of metals, for example gold, silver, platinum, etc., are not very stable in the sense that they get easily coagulated or precipitated in the presence of an electrolyte. This poses a big problem in their storage and the usage. Contrary to this, lyophilic are much more stable and do not get coagulated easily under similar condition. It has been observed that in presence of certain lyophilic colloids, the hydrophobic salts acquire a greater stability towards the coagulation. That is, they get protected and do not get coagulated easily when an electrolyte is added. The process of protecting lyophobic salt from being coagulated or precipitated on the addition of an electrolyte by the use of a lyophilic colloid is called protection. That means lyophobic will be always unstable and get separated. But if you add a lyophilic colloid, we can protect them. For example, the addition of gelatin, that is, it is a lyophilic colloid, to gold salt, which is a lyophobic salt, protects the gold salt from being coagulated on addition of sodium chloride solution. This is an example. Next section, emulsions, surfactants and micelles. Micelles we already discussed. Emulsions. Definition: the colloidal dispersion of the two immiscible liquid in which one liquid acts as a dispersion medium and the other as dispersed phase is called emulsion. That is, only definition and examples are required. Oil in water, and one example, and another one water in oil. Both are emulsions. Surfactants. Surfactants are molecules that spontaneously bond with each other to form a sealed bubbles, or surfactants are compounds that lower the surface tension between two liquids, between a gas and a liquid, or between a liquid and a solid. Surfactants may act as detergents, wetting agents, foaming agents, and even micelles. That is, foaming agents. These micelles we already discussed earlier as associated colloids.